Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the MS-BCP110.dll issue on your computer, and the error message show the program can't start because MS-BCP110.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. So ano ba yung tinatawag na MS-BCP110.dll? Is a system file provided by Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable DLL, which helps apps built on Visual Studio to run properly. And it is often saved in the C Windows System 32 folder. So yan po yung ibig sabihin niya. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so tap mo lang dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung app, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa apps, yung pinakauna lang, ito yung installed app, so kailangan ulit natin yan i-click. And then dito sa installed apps, and then dito lang sa search for apps, so kailangan lang natin i-search yung Visual C and then plus sign, okay? So i-type mo lang yung Visual C++ and then lalabas agad dito. So mayroon dito anim na Microsoft Visual C. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-locate kung ano yung pwede natin ditong i-modify. So yung anim na apps na to ay yung iba dito ay hindi pwede i-modify, so grayed out po siya. So for example, click mo lang yung tatlong dot, and then makikita mo dito yung modify, so grayed out, hindi pwede i-click yan mga kaibigan. So kailangan lang natin i-locate. So dito sa baba, i-click mo lang tatlong dot, and then makikita mo na pwede itong i-modify, so click mo lang yung modify. And then if you're CBOS account control, i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then next step dito sa modify setup, so kailangan mo lang i-click to repair, so click mo lang yan. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung processing, initializing, and then yung diagnostic process. Okay, so makikita mo dito na setup successful, and then kailangan lang natin ito mag-restart mamaya. Okay, so close lang natin ito, so close, and then yung other one, yung last, so i-click mo lang yung tatlong dot, and then click mo lang dito yung modify. And then, if you receive your account control, i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa setup process, so kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete yung processing, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so setup successful. So ang next step, so close lang natin to. And then next step, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang siya. And then dito sa search for apps, so i-type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive your account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung walls. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all, small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time, beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to fix MS-BCP110.dll is missing from your computer issue in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.